1 minute, 1 take. Another form of creative play is exploring textures outside, out in nature. So we're exploring plants and the different scents and smells and textures and how they feel. Yeah, what does that feel like? So pretty, huh? Soft. Is it soft? So that's another way to explore creative play with a 1-year-old. Just kind of let them walk around and explore nature. Ah, so fun. And later, maybe we'll go to the beach and play with the sand. Yeah. Want to try some mint? Let's see what the mint smells like. Mmm. Smell the mint.